Hey everybody, TK Slots. I'm playing Little Dragon Link. I'm sorry, Lightning Link, not Dragon Link. I got the free spins. This could be really good because the dragons expand. You know, we always really want the mini, minor, major up there too. So let's see how it goes. Keeps opening up on me. Dragons expand.
I don't have a card in.
See if it'll let me put it in while we're in the bonus. Yep, nope. Gotta wait till after. I only spent $10. Oh, that's good. This is a 10-cent denom, 250 bet. Got 2 more games. Come on, dragons, come back out. Oh, 2 more. Last game. All right, $24 on that 250 bet. Thanks for watching. Okay, still betting 10 cent, 250. I got 2 $25 balls. Let's go. One at a time. Oh, $100 mini, very nice. The major just showed up, but it didn't have enough, so maybe it'll show up again. Come on, just one. Okay. One more. Ooh, 37.50 went by. Come on. Smack it. That's good. All right, 2 more. All right, one more. One more for the $15,000. Is it in there? I don't see it. Smack it in there. Smack it. Smack it. That's all right. It's a good win. $215. I'll take it. That's great. If I get something else, I'll come back. Alright, I got another $100 mini. We're doing great here. Still at the 10-cent denomination. Come on, let's fill it in. Smack that major down. You know you want to. Smack it. Smack it. Alright, we'll take that. One at a time. One at a time. See some other minis in there. Come on. That's good. That's good. Let's go. Nice. $12.50. Oh, that was a sweet one. Fill it in. Fill it in. Let's go. Smack it in. Come on. Just one. Come on. There we go. 2 more. Oh, and the minor would be great. Smack it. That's all right. We're going to take it. Another $150, I think. At least 150. $155. Beautiful. It's pretty active. I'm gonna spin it off here. 3 more. That would have been great. There was a 37.50 ball in there. That dragon is wild. Got the Buddhas all the way across. That was $18. Another Dragon Ball bonus would be good. 2 more. Oh, just missing one. Come on.
Okay.
More. If I get something else, I'll come back.